How to make money from ebooks. Looking to self-publish an ebook and make money? We don't blame you. It can earn you some serious cash and it means you can officially call yourself a published author. The dream. Most people think that, unless you get lucky and end up becoming the next J.K. Rowling, writing books is not an easy way to make money. But remember that blockbuster film The Martian, starring Matt Damon? It actually started life as a humble self-published ebook. The book's author, Andy Weir, sold the novel as an Amazon Kindle book for 99 cents a copy. Before long, it was topping best-selling charts and Hollywood took notice. How much money can you make from ebooks? Producing an ebook can be ridiculously cheap and, often, completely free, and selling your own ebook can net you anything from several pounds a day to almost nothing. The good news is that you get lots of say in your potential earnings, so it's worth taking a look at the sums. Ebooks sell for anywhere between 99p to £8.99 and up, but the store, and your publishing platform, will take a chunk of each sale. You can sell your book for whatever price you like, and you can alter the price to test different tactics, but the ideal price depends on your book's length, reviews and competition. If you've got cash to invest, or can crowdfund to pay for it, you could spend money on extra marketing for your book to increase its chances of success, but there are lots of ways to market it for free, like on social media. Here's how to maximize your ebook profits. Tips for making money from your ebook. Follow these steps to earn as much money as you can selling ebooks. Choose a popular topic for your ebook. We'd recommend writing about something you're genuinely interested in, rather than just choosing a topic that you think is going to make you money. If you have a book idea and feel like it would be something you'd buy yourself if you saw it in a shop, you're onto a winner. Your readers will be able to tell if you're passionate about the subject, and getting the words down on paper will be a lot easier for you as well. Pick a subject you're genuinely interested in, but, that said, it's also worth looking at what sells. Visit your local bookshop or check out the best-selling lists on Amazon, Waterstones, and international sites like Barnes & Noble. Write your ebook to a high standard. The more time and effort you put into your ebook, the better it will be, and therefore the more you can charge for it. To create a high-quality ebook, you will need to be willing to spend months, or even years, writing it, and then proofreading and editing multiple drafts until it's up to scratch. Using free software to edit your ebook can hugely help to improve its quality. Choose the best value publishing platform for you. Once your ebook's ready for publication, yay, the hard work is nearly over. The next step to take when considering how best to monetize your ebook is to research which publishing platform you could make the most money on. For an in-depth rundown of the leading sites, have a look through our guide to the best ebook publishing platforms. Develop a marketing strategy for your ebook. Just as it pays off to spend time writing your ebook to as high a standard as you can, it's also worth putting a fair amount of your energy into marketing your ebook. To make money from your writing, it's super important to get the word out there, and your ebook marketing needn't cost you a penny. Social media is a hugely powerful marketing tool, so it's worth setting up professional accounts across major platforms like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram that will be focused on promoting your published ebook. Enter your ebook into writing competitions. After spending so long perfecting your ebook, you deserve a little credit for your masterpiece. Writing competitions are not only amazing for kudos, but they often come with rather nice cash rewards. Writing competitions aren't the easiest way to make money from your ebook as they're generally very competitive, but they are definitely worth a go. We'd recommend any writer to enter them. Publish a series of ebooks. If you publish a successful ebook and find yourself with a growing audience, you could consider writing a whole series of texts built around the same characters or themes. The best ways to approach writing an ebook series would depend on the nature of your work, fiction or non-fiction, but stick to your instincts about what feels right. Think about whether it would be a natural progression for your ebook to become part of a series of works. Extra benefits of self-publishing an ebook. Of course, money isn't the only perk that comes with writing a book. Here are some other key benefits of self-publishing an ebook. Quick publication, rather than waiting to find, pitch to and get accepted by a publishing company. By self-publishing your work as an ebook, You can massively speed up the process of selling it and have full say over how and when it's published. Careerboost, getting a book to market is great work experience. It's a brilliant way to boost your CV for lots of careers including publishing, retail, sales, management and marketing. Passive income, even if you don't become a millionaire, publishing a book can set you up with passive income for years to come. Anyone can do it, don't be put off if you're not creative or super knowledgeable in niche areas. All you need is an idea, a bit of lateral thinking, plenty of motivation and time. And this guide, of course.